Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher error code 0xc. And so to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply look for Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. You're going to right click on it and you're going to hit run as administrator. So every time you open up, or every time you want to open up the launcher, you're just going to do this. So you're going to right click on Epic Games Launcher and you're going to hit run as administrator. And if you want to find like a more like automatic way, I guess you could say, to do this, you can click on properties, you can go to compatibility, and you're going to check the run this program as an administrator box and hit apply and then hit OK. So now every time you left click or every time you open up Epic Games Launcher, it will automatically hit run as administrator and it will open up that way. So yeah, that is one method to fix this issue. The second method you guys can do is simply do a network reset, and that can be done by going to settings and then going to network and internet, then advanced network settings, and then you can go to network reset. Simply hit reset now. It's also going to restart your PC, so that's like a 2-in-1. And when you do both of these things, the error code should hopefully be fixed. So yeah, that is it for the video. Oh, and also one more thing you guys can do is simply delete Epic Games Launcher and then reinstall it with the latest update. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.